Well, hi guys. This is one of two videos that we're creating to show you the new procedure in broadcasting on LiveSkies. So as you can see, I'm actually broadcasting out my window at a pole and some leaves. And this is normally what you would do. You would set up your SplitCam, and then you would go to LiveSkies, broadcast live, select the SplitCam virtual driver and the audio, and then you start broadcasting and you're up and running. Virtual cameras are no longer being accepted. Everybody's going the stream settings. And it's a bit of a pain to set up initially, but once it's done, it's even faster to start streaming. And the advantage is you can stream to multiple sites simultaneously. So that we can actually see what's happening, I'm going to have SplitCam kind of point to my whole desktop so you can see what buttons I'm clicking. So I'm just going to go over here, and now we should be seeing like a window within a window within a window, because I'm just highlighting my whole desktop. So to set up your streaming service, go over here where it says stream settings, hit that little down arrow, and you can see I've already got 4 streaming services set up, and one of them, the custom one, is blue. That means it's ready to broadcast on that. I can actually click YouTube and the other customs and simultaneously stream on all 4, or if you want, you could add even more. But for you, let's work our way through how do we set up our new LiveSkies streaming service. So you go down where it says add new stream, so I'll click on that, and you can see it's got all the other streaming services. We're just going to go to custom, and we go to settings, and there's going to be 3 pieces of information that we need. You can give it a name, so mine says custom stream, but you can change it to LiveSkies stream or your channel name. But these 2, the stream URL and the stream key, those are important. We need to get those 2 pieces of information, paste them in here. And the question is, how do I get those? Well, all you have to do is go into your LiveSkies account, just log in. So I've kind of logged in right now. And when you go to your button, normally you would hit, broadcast live, talked about that, but now you just go to external encoders and click on that button. So when you click on that button, it'll open up a window like this, and these are the 2 pieces of information that we need: the RTMP address, which is basically your URL, and your stream key, which is like your password. So you can either use highlight this and use Control-C to copy, or just hit the copy button. So you copy, go back to SplitCam, go over here and paste it. I'm just going to put something that's for security reasons there. Go back to your encoder part and copy the stream name. I'll hit the copy button. After you've done that, go back over here and just paste that. There we go. And once you've got your name and these 2 guys filled out, just hit encoding. We recommend just selecting the defaults like this and just hit save and close. And you've set up your streaming service. As simple as that, right? And so you will see it, you just highlight it or click on it to activate it, and that's all you need to do at this point. So it's already remembered it, and you don't have to re-enter that in again. So the question is, how do we stream? Well, we just hit this button here that says go live. So I click on this, and it will open up and turns red, and it will start broadcasting. It's actually broadcasting what I'm actually doing right now, and it'll be broadcasting what you're looking at. Normally you'd be looking at your SplitCam Sky. Now you probably want to see what you're broadcasting or be able to chat. Now this is a bit of a pain, but that's the way it has to kind of work. So how do we see what we're broadcasting and be able to chat? So again, you go into your LiveSkies. Now you notice I'm logged in, but I'm just at this window now. Before we would actually see a little window that showed us what we were broadcasting and have a chat. So for us to actually chat, see, just refresh this, and you'll see that you'll see your own account. So actually you're already logged in, but you're gonna log in again to your own account. So just click on this. Perfect. It will take a couple of seconds, and then you'll see me what I'm actually broadcasting, which is actually the screen of the display. So I'm actually broadcasting what we're seeing right now. Just to make it interesting, I'm just going to go and on another machine. I'm going to log in as a different user, just so I can show you how the chat thing works. So once we're ready, you can see this is what you're actually broadcasting from SplitCam, which would normally be your LiveSkies. You go to chat and say, hi, this is, I can spell, a chat. And hit send. And it sends this, and I'm seeing it on my other machine. And let me just do a reply. Hi. Now, sometimes you get this, and we're trying to figure that one out, so just hit reload. It's just, it's connecting and just working things through, but it's actually up and running again. This is just an 8-second delay. So let me respond by hi back on the other machine. And let me just send that. Perfect. And the other machine said hi back. So we're actually broadcasting what we're seeing on, as you can guess it, on SplitCam, but you can at least chat back and forth. Now, normally you would be just using, you just be broadcasting this and looking at this and reacting to this. Now, you do your session, and how do you stop? That's kind of neat. Oh, I wanted to mention something. Let me go back to this for a second. You're not hearing any sounds because I'd have the sounds, and the sounds would be recording the sounds and recording the sounds. But when you're at this window here, your broadcasting window, don't forget to turn on this. And you can see I'm just going to turn this on, and you can see that you can actually hear what you're broadcasting. So I turned it off so you wouldn't have me talking over me talking. So don't forget to do that. So again, how do we end our session? You go back to SplitCam, and all we have to do is click on this button here, and it will stop streaming. It is simple as that, and it will then turn to the go live. And so next day when you want to start streaming, all you do is start SplitCam, set up your display, and then hit the go live, and it starts streaming. And then again, log into your own account so you can see what you're streaming, and you can chat. So hopefully this was helpful. I will create another video with OBS. I know we're going to be tweaking this a bit, and it's a bit rough around the edges, but it's going to get a bit better. But at least we got it up and running. So have fun, clear skies, and I'll see you sometime.